Hello everybody, Tiffany with Team Red Keller Williams here. I am out at our newest listing, 2705 Southwest Sylvan Heights Drive. Beautiful little townhome in West Seattle. Let's take a look. Okay, so here's the outside of the house. It is just shy over 1,400 square feet with 2-bed, 2.5 bath, and got a few bonus areas in it as well with a 2-car tandem garage. Let's go on inside. Okay, so here's the inside, the entryway. You've got stairs upstairs to the bedrooms, and off to your left here is your open space, open floor plan living room. We have a double-sided fireplace, so there's the first side of it. And then going over here is your dining room setup with that same fireplace. And here is your kitchen with your bar stool setup. Got a beautiful island, gorgeous tile backsplash, really beautiful stainless steel appliances. Here is your large pantry. Right off of the kitchen is your main level powder bathroom. And then we have our outdoor balcony. All right, let's head on upstairs. Okay, so right when we get upstairs, you've got this beautiful little corner area that you can turn into a reading nook, your little office space. Let me point out all of the beautiful high ceilings up here. They're like this in the bedrooms too. So from the stairs off to our left first is going to be our master bedroom. Look at those beautiful, huge windows, looking at those trees. Those are those high ceilings I was talking about. This is quite a spacious room. We've got about a queen size mattress displayed in here, and you've got a lot of space for extra closets, armoires, dressers, a little chase lounge. Here is your master bath, double vanity sink, lots of storage built in, and your shower. Upstairs is where your laundry is going to be. And right across is your full second bath upstairs. Love that shower head. And here we have our second bedroom. Again, very spacious, lots of high ceilings. All right, let's go on downstairs. Okay, so now we are downstairs. You've got a good linen closet, coat closet here. And this is basically your bonus room. It could be a workout room, your office, kids' playroom. It's a good, decent size. And it connects to your large 2-car tandem garage. Very spacious in here. And some more storage. So that is our new listing in West Seattle, 2705 Southwest Sylvan Heights Drive. We are close to beautiful walking paths and a pea patch, plenty of outdoor activities in this Sylvan Heights community. Again, we are still in COVID phases, so if you want to view this, is by appointment only. You can contact me, Tiffany, Team Red, at 253-797-9008. I'd be more than happy to set up an appointment for you to come see this beautiful townhome. Everybody have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.